Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Finetech. Today I'll be introducing you to the DPP 250 automatic blister packaging machine. The 250 in the model refers to a maximum forming film width of 250 millimeters. This is a medium high-speed, high-capacity aluminum plastic blister packaging machine commonly used in factories. It's mainly used for capsules from sizes 000 to 5, as well as liquids and tablets. Its applications are very wide-ranging. As you can see, the entire machine is divided into 6 core workstations, starting with film feeding, filling, heat sealing, traction, and the final punching process. Now, please follow my steps and let's together examine how this equipment functions. Okay, let's see how this machine runs. First, we arrive at the film feeding workstation. The machine is simultaneously equipped with both the bottom film and the lidding film types of material. Here, the film runs smoothly without deviation, thanks to the automatic constant tension feeding system. Next up, we have the forming workstation. Here, after the film material undergoes a preheating process, it is then pushed out to form the standard blister type. The DPP 250 allows for wide, multi-row layouts, increasing its capacity beyond smaller machines. Next, we arrive at the filling workstation. The machine is equipped with a universal feeder, allowing materials to be filled automatically, smoothly, without defects, and evenly. For irregularly shaped products, we can also equip it with a dedicated feeder. Next up is the critical heat sealing station. Here, precise constant temperature sealing control ensures the lidding film and bottom film are perfectly bonded. The seal is tight, moisture-proof, and light-proof, fully complying with our GMP production standards. At the same time, we can also print the production batch number onto the blister pack. Next, through the traction process, the machine maintains a consistent pitch, pulling the film smoothly. Lastly, the cutting station. Here, the die cutter uses a mold to precisely cut the continuous blister sheet into individual units. The waste material is automatically wound up for separation, and the finished product emerges directly. Our finished product has very smooth, neat edges. It's safe for anyone, adults and children, to handle. And for our lidding film, we use an aluminum foil lidding film. With this packaging, you can easily puncture it to access the necessary medicine inside. At this station, we'll automatically collect the waste roll. Also, incomplete or defective packages will be automatically rejected. Any incomplete packages are automatically removed with the waste. These perfectly packaged products, like this one, are our final output. As you can see, the packaging is neat, with very smooth edges that won't cut your hands, making it safe for both adults and children to use. Our aluminum foil lidding film is very thin and lightweight. Just a gentle tear and the capsule comes out easily, making it safe, hygienic, and convenient. The DPP 250 boasts a wide, effective packaging width, multi-row layout capabilities, and high output, significantly outperforming smaller, much higher output than small to mid-sized machines, ideal for high-speed production in pharmaceutical, food, and health product factories. In terms of machine control, we've equipped it with a PLC touchscreen control program. The operation is simple, and adjusting the parameters is also very straightforward. The whole machine uses water, electricity, and air common energies. It's stable and durable. So, to sum it up, the DPP 250 is a versatile, efficient, and robust universal blister packaging machine. If you want to learn more about this machine, please contact us using the information below. We may not be the best, but we might be the right fit for you. We are Finetech.